needed to happen last year happened, whether I like it or not. And all the things that I need to happen this year are in the works. Hope you can say the same thing for yourself. So far today I've caught one fish. Feel pretty good about that. It's my first time chunking and winding. I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. Man, it's good to get out every once in a while. You get some peace and quiet. Come on. My beautiful baby Bailey out here living her best puppy life. I would show you, but then I gotta dismount my phone. I've been trying to think about what to think about while I'm fishing. And to be honest, I don't really know. Got all the things that I normally think about. In the everyday life, you know. But who wants to think about that while they're out in the wilderness? You tell me. What do you think about when you relax? When you get some time away? Do you get time away? You should definitely be getting time away. Out of the city. Out of your house. I spent the last 3 weeks or so just sitting around at home, hanging out, spending time with my baby and my baby. My baby and my Bailey. It's been good. It's been good for some rejuvenation, getting my mental state back together. I was going through a little bit of that seasonal depression, you know. I know some of y'all know about that. Yeah. Seasonal depression is a son of a bitch. Anxiety is for my daughter. I've been dealing with both of those things real heavy lately. The fact of the matter is, I don't know what it is that I'm supposed to be doing with my life right now. I'll be 33 this year. Shout out to all my 30-year-olds. 30 and above, man. I'm hitting the team. Am I happy with my progress so far? No. I'm not happy with it. It's been good. It's been real good. Being 30. A couple things I want to accomplish before I'm 40. But so far, made some real strong choices. I don't have anywhere to set my phone. I'll move to a new fishing location. Just do a little more, you know? I'm not gonna say this too loud because my uncle's over there, but I'm out fishing them. I got the bigger fish. I got the most fish. Okay? We out here. Huh? Oh, you can hear me? for the beautiful day.
Oh yeah, Chef Micah D in the kitchen doing the damn thing.
Waffles.
Hell yeah, Chef Micah D. Hell yeah, you got this for Christmas, bro?
Yeah. Got some waffles in here.
Don't raise it. That doesn't that like mess with the time? Does it have a timer on it?
No, I ain't got no timer on it.
Oh, I'm used to hotels, bro. Yeah, you flip it. Yeah, bro.
It has the special fork that comes
Yeah,
with it.
bro.
Plop it
Yeah,
down.
bro. Yeah.
Always get stuck on the top.
I'm used to hotels, fam. Don't do me, bro. Huh?
The waffle right here for
Yeah.
chicken and waffles.
Wait, is everybody else not eating, or have you already?
We already ate, bro.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. I'm cool with you guys have already eaten. But if I'm eating and you guys haven't eaten yet, I feel like such a piece of shit.
No.
All right.
Because right when we called me is right when I just sat down to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Okay.
I was like, I got an extra waffle thing in here.
Hey.
Only made 4 pieces of chicken.
Hey.
So yeah, bro.
All right, that's what the KFC is about, y'all. Just so you know, in case anybody's watching this from afar, like this nigga didn't even cook. Like,
I did though. I did.
He cooked, but he cooked for his family, not
I didn't
me.
know. Okay, sometimes Marquise says he's gonna come through, but then he don't come through.
Don't do me, bro.
Like, it's about 7 o'clock.
Don't do
It's
me,
dark
bro.
outside.
I
don't know if he's
fucking
gonna come.
I show up.
He called me before.
I show up.
Cause look, that's what you could have had.
Uh-oh.
That's what you could have had.
Wow.
Yeah, bro.
You didn't make me no eggs.
No, I didn't. Bro, the egg pan's
The
already been
disrespect.
washed. The egg pan's already been washed.
I can't stand
Should
it.
have showed up at 7 o'clock.
No, look.
look,
Hold on. Never told me when dinner was.
Hey, but you said you'd hit me up though.
He never told me when dinner was.
You're right. But
Yeah, you better get out of the kitchen, you little butthole. It's so funny because she does this thing where she'll like go to someone else's bowl and then she'll come to me and be like, like the quietest crunches. You piece of work. You are a piece of work.
She's a beautiful baby.
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Acting like you're starving. Just everybody's house where there's food. You just think, oh, my food. But I love you. For anybody who stuck around for that whole thing, thank you. Thank you. I didn't do a sign out for it, but that was yesterday's day. Just a little fishing and visiting with some friends, you know. This is video 1 for a good friend, so I'll be looking for your response. And we're going to keep this up, man. 2024. 2024 is the year. So I'm still learning the process, but as I learn the process, you guys will get to see the growth. Thank you so much for hanging out with your boy. Another beautiful day. Peace. Check out That Dog Days. It's coming out every Tuesday. Check it out.